Imagine a world where an AI can predict stock market trends, approve loans in seconds, detect fraud instantly, and even manage billion-dollar investments better than humans. It's already happening. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming the finance industry faster than ever before. From Wall Street to everyday banking apps, AI is changing how money moves. In this video, we'll explore how AI works in finance, real-world examples, the benefits and dangers, and whether AI could replace financial jobs in the future. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence means machines that can learn, analyze data, and make decisions like humans. In finance, AI processes huge amounts of data in seconds. Instead of humans spending hours analyzing numbers, AI can do it almost instantly. Examples: stock market prediction, fraud detection, credit scoring, automated trading, personal finance apps, customer support chatbots. Big companies like JP Chase, Goldman Sachs, and PayPal already use AI daily. AI is no longer the future of finance, it's the present. One of the biggest areas where AI dominates is stock market trading. Hedge funds and investment firms use AI algorithms to analyze news headlines, social media posts, company earnings, economic reports, and market sentiment, all in real time. These AI systems can buy and sell stocks within milliseconds. That's called algorithmic trading. Some AI trading bots can even recognize patterns humans completely miss. Example: if thousands of people suddenly start talking positively about a company online, AI detects it immediately. Before human traders react, the AI may already place trades. Companies like BlackRock use advanced AI systems, like Aladdin, to manage trillions of dollars. AI has become a massive weapon in Wall Street competition. Banks are also using AI to improve customer experience. AI helps banks detect fraud instantly, approve loans faster, analyze spending habits, predict financial risks. For example, if your card suddenly gets used in another country, AI may instantly block the transaction. That's because AI notices unusual behavior patterns. Many banks now use AI chatbots instead of human customer support. These chatbots answer questions 24/7 and solve problems quickly. AI also helps banks decide whether someone should get a loan. Instead of only checking salary, AI analyzes spending behavior, transaction history, and financial. This makes banking faster, but also raises concerns about privacy. But AI in finance is not perfect. There are major risks. 1. Bias in AI. If AI learns from biased data, it can make unfair decisions. For example, an AI loan system might unfairly reject certain groups of people. 2. Market crashes. High-speed AI trading can sometimes create extreme market volatility. In 2010, the US stock market experienced something called the flash crash. Markets crashed rapidly within minutes because of automated trading systems. 3. Job replacement. Many financial jobs are becoming automated. Tasks once done by analysts, customer support agents, and traders can now be handled by AI. This creates fear about future employment. 4. Cybersecurity threats. If hackers attack AI systems, financial damage could be enormous. That's why security is becoming more important than ever. The future of finance will be deeply connected with AI. In the future, AI may manage personal investments automatically, predict economic recessions, create smarter budgeting apps, improve cryptocurrency trading, detect fraud before it happens. Imagine opening an app, and your AI assistant says, "You spent too much on food this month. Invest this amount here. Avoid this stock. Save more money this week." That future is very close. Some experts believe AI financial assistants could become as common as smartphones. Even central banks and governments are studying how AI could improve economies. Finance is becoming smarter, faster, and more automated. So, will AI completely replace humans in finance? Probably not. But people who understand AI will definitely replace people who don't. AI is becoming one of the most powerful technologies in the financial world. And the biggest question is, will you learn how to use it or be left behind? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Right finger. Would you trust AI with your money? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.